Okay, now we're going to talk about adding text to your WeVideo. So when you click on the text section, you'll notice that 5 different sections pop up, including titles, captions, multi-line, which just includes multi-line text, seasonal, which includes things like holidays, Christmas, graduation text, and special, which is good for putting in like ending credits to your video. So to add text, you simply grab one of the text. I use sample text a lot, and you grab it and pull it down. Adjust it for whatever media you have in your timeline editor. I added a background so you can see it. You can double click on it. There's a couple options. You can change the text to MC Middle School. You can change the size. Say I want to make it a little smaller. And you can go and change a whole bunch of different things, but you can also come over here and grab the text and place it wherever you want. That includes grabbing the text off to the side, making it into a smaller box. When you're done, you simply click Save Changes, and you'll notice that you've laid this text over top of your background.